I've been in review for Alyssa. Alright, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting off in the car and we are heading to the first location. I want to try and hit up a little bit more today. If I could hit up 7 or 8, that would be awesome. It's 9 o'clock right now. Definitely gonna need to make a Sam's Club pit stop. Anytime you can't see any products piled up in the back, that means we gotta go to Sam's Club. Yeah, it's looking pretty low. Hope everyone's chasing your dreams, chasing your goals, moving forward in life to wherever you want to be. Starting a vending machine business if that's what you want to do. If you've been procrastinating, start right after you watch this video. Go on Facebook Marketplace, send 3 offers, put 3 offers on 3 vending machines, and see what happens. Let's get the day started. First stop of the day, Sam's Club. $242. Pretty heavy. Hopefully we bring in more than $242 today. See you guys at the first location. That was a really slow collection. Maybe $30 after like 3 weeks, $10 a week. It's not that good, but we gotta keep at it, and hopefully these other locations are better. Did pretty good. If I had to guess, maybe $40. But yeah, this location's 26 minutes away. This one's out of the way, out of all my other machines, so it's kind of annoying. But we're gonna get this one out of the way, and there should be a pretty good amount of money in there. Leaving location 3, I didn't film inside, but it did really good. It was a very fat stack. Pretty good. On to location number 4. Alright, I didn't film in that location. Did about $30 probably. On to location number 5. And I'm wearing my seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, finally. I actually do wear it, I promise. Just every time I seem to be recording, it's just not on. Yesterday it was like 40 degrees and today it's like 80. And today it's like 80. I don't get it. Let's get on with the collection. actually did better than I thought, so that's good. On to location 6. I'm leaving location 6, I believe, right now. I didn't film in there. It's a really slow location. I maybe made $20, so super slow spot. But on to location 7. And whenever I was opening the coin box, I sliced myself. I'm suing myself. Alright, that collection was absolutely trash. Maybe pulled $15 from there. Maybe. Being there for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. My God. I'll be surprised if we hit if we hit $400 today, I'll be shocked. Heading to the last location of the day, location number 8. Let's see how it does. Alright, I got my seatbelt on and we're heading home. The last location I went to, I didn't film in, but it really didn't do all that great either. Of course, I'm going to show you guys all the money at the end. Oh my gosh, that was loud. I'm going to show you guys all the money at the end, but yeah, I'm on my way home and we're going to count everything up. Alright, what's going on, guys? We just got back to the house. I'm with Alyssa, aka the CEO of Counting Money. She's going to help me count some money, and yeah, let's see how location number 1 did. Alright, location number 1 did $30.75 after about 2 weeks. Location number 2 made $49.50 after about 2.5 weeks. Location number 3 did $76 flat after 2.5 weeks. Alright, location number 4 made $45 flat after about 3 weeks. Location number 5 made $75.10 after 2.5 weeks. Location number 6 did $35.85 after about 2.5 weeks. Alright, location number 7 did $22.25 after like 2.5 weeks. I know, it's really embarrassing. You don't have to remind me. Alright, the last location did $35.20 after about 2.5 weeks. So all 8 locations, we made $370 total off of 8 locations. That is not that good, but I mean, hey, these are all my slowest locations. I saved them. Wow. Oh God. $370, and we spent $250 on product. So what's that?
Broke.
$250. Wow, we made $119 today profit off of about 5 hours of work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much. I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube. I've met all the requirements, but I've been in review for Alyssa. Oh my gosh. Anyways, back to YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is taking a really long time to monetize me. I don't know why. It's been over a month and they've been reviewing it. If you're monetized, you know that you have to go into review first before you can get accepted to be a partner on YouTube. And unfortunately, YouTube's taking a really long time to monetize me. So I've heard stories of it taking 6 months, a year. So hopefully that's not the case, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Let everyone know you're not monetized. Why do I hear this every day?
Anyways, thanks for watching. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.